Alright, we're going out this morning, and we actually saw two other idiots like us going out, and they were laughing at us and we were laughing at them. It's supposed to be 100% chance of rain the rest of the day, but we'll see how it goes. Olaf, this one is for you. Since we knew it was going to sprinkle all day and rain, I went to Lowe's and bought a tarp for $3 that's keeping us nice and dry, baby.
How'd you catch? Bird in the sky? Bird in the water? Hey, get that thing. Pull him up here.
Some kind of catfish or something.
He's the one that I think walks on the land. Look at his front paws. He's got like... That's the weirdest damn thing. We gotta show that one the bender.
Red. So Billy just scared our lovely blue herring away, and we think he has a red. Is that a trout? Oh, it's a red. Nice little red. Nothing wrong with that, son. Hold him out there properly.
All right.
On the board.
Double D, baby. Double D.
All right. Billy says it's a good one. You better get it out from underneath there.
I got it.
Or is the drag just loose?
It's a little loose, but it's a good one.
Oh, he's fighting. Are you going to get him in the boat, or are you going to let him get off the hook? Back up.
Yeah, baby. Told you it was nice.
Yeah, that's a nice one, dude. That's a great Florida redfish.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, hold on.